Welcome to Santa Maria La Nave. My name is Vera Russo. I'm the person in charge of hospitality here at the estate. Here in this beautiful estate, nestled in the northwest part of the volcano, we host guests in very private and exclusive tours in our oasis of biodiversity. We try to give a really authentic taste of all Sicilian produce, but also having them experiencing hands-on cooking classes with friends, producers of ancient Sicilian grains, like Lucia Bontempo, who's a dear friend of us, who welcomes people here at the estate, doing hands-on cooking classes utilizing her ancient Sicilian grains. Try to give exclusivity to very private tours, since our way to believe hospitality should be in Sicily is to have a one-on-one communication, but most especially to give a very authentic taste of the Sicilian hospitality. Santa Maria La Nave is a small boutique estate. We cover two completely different sides of Mount Etna. Here I'm welcoming you in the northwest part of the volcano, in our vineyard Casa Decima, an actual oasis of biodiversity. On the opposite side of the volcano, we have a beautiful vineyard in one of the youngest craters of Mount Etna on the southeast part of the volcano, called Mount Etna. On both sides, what's the heart of our project is to rescue native varieties, relic wine varieties of Mount Etna from completely disappearing. Here in La Nave, we work with a vineyard which is the result of 15 years of master selection on two very exclusive grape varieties of Mount Etna. All our wines, our small production, a little bit more than 11,000 bottles of wine produced every year. We produce cru and super cru wines that we make available for people that come on private tours to visit us, available to taste in a very exclusive location.